saying the secrets or hidden pins on the Pinterest is a pretty simple thing to do. In this video, I will be telling you exactly how you guys can do it. So if you are new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share, and I will be providing the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. And what you have to do is go to your Pinterest and log in with your official account, and then go to your profile by clicking on the account option on the top right corner, and then go ahead and click on the profile. You will be redirected to your profile and you will see that my profile is private, and these pins are not private, these are public. Here you guys can see that this pin is private, and you will see a lock option over here, and you can simply access it by going to your profile and by what clicking on it. So if you want to make it unsecret, so go ahead and click on the setting option and click on keep this post secret and just toggle it off, and then click on done button, and you will see that the lock logo will be removed from here. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.